Oh. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Miso Honey Roast Chicken. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we'll prepare the marinade for our chicken thighs. I have with me over here 2 tablespoons of water. Add in 3 cloves of garlic, grated. 1 big heaped tablespoon of miso. I'm using white miso over here. This is a little bit not that salty, but if you are using the red miso, please reduce by a little bit. Add them in. 1 tablespoon of fresh young ginger juice derived from grated ginger. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of honey. Half a tablespoon of cornstarch. And finally, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix them all up well together and we'll set this aside while we prepare our chicken. Now we are going to prepare our chicken thighs. I have with me over here 3 pieces of chicken thighs weighing a total of 700 grams. These are bone in and I'm going to show you how I cut this into half. Take 1 piece of the chicken thigh, put the skin side down. As you can see, the bone is over here. We're just going to slice it as close to the bone as possible. So this is the bone. Just slice this as close to the bone as possible, like this. And just slice it down. Now in order to make this cook more evenly, just make a few cuts on the thicker part of the meat. Just some cut like this will be fine, right? Just open them up a little bit. This will also help with the marinade of the chicken. So just slice them a little bit like this. Some cuts will be fine. Now we'll do the same with the other piece. Same thing. Close to the bone, just make a cut. Like this. And over here also, just make a cut. Don't cut all the way through. Just slice it a little bit so that the marinade can actually get into the meat itself. Okay? Do the same for the rest and I'll show you how I marinate the chicken. Now we'll marinate our chicken, but before it, please give this a stir first. Make sure it's well mixed up. Then we'll add in our chicken. Put everything in. I like to use my hands, but make sure you wash it first. Now marinate this. Massage the beautiful marinade into the meat. After you're done with this, we'll cover this up, leave this in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. I'll see you back in a while. We have marinated our chicken for approximately 4 hours and now we'll prepare them to be roasted in our oven. Prepare a casserole. Place the chicken in the casserole. Now before you place the chicken in the casserole itself, remember to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for at least half an hour. Also, please remove the chicken from the fridge before roasting them. After you're done with this, we're adding our apples. I have with me over here 2 apples which I've already peeled and cut them into sizes like this. So just place them by the sides. Roasted apples taste very, very good. Of course, if you want to add in pineapples, by all means do so too. Tastes very good too. Can slide them in the center like this, no problem at all. I'm adding apples because I want to have side with our chicken. And of course to make it look more Christmassy. Put the apples in between each piece of the chicken, like a border, so it looks so much better. After you're done with this, we'll add in cranberries. Now you can add in as much as you want, no problem. Just sprinkle them all over the chicken. Now, of course, if you do not have cranberries, it's okay also. My main purpose is to make this look as Christmassy as possible. Alternatively, you can use pomegranate seeds or even sun-dried tomatoes if you want to. Try not to cover the skin because we want some very beautiful brownness on the skin. Lastly, add in a few sprigs of rosemary. This will enhance the flavor and of course it will look so much like Christmas. When you're done with this, we'll put this in the oven and roast them. Now we put the chicken in the oven. You roast the chicken at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. At the 20 minutes mark, we'll baste this with honey water. I'll see you back in a while. It's been about 20 minutes, but before we bring out the chicken to baste it, let's prepare the honey baste. About 1 tablespoon of honey. And about equal parts of water. Stir them up. And we use this to baste our chicken. Now we remove the chicken from the oven to baste them. It's not done yet. The purpose of basting is to brown the skin as well as to keep the chicken juicy. Once you're done with this, we'll pop them back into the oven. Now we'll pop the chicken back and continue to let it roast. And I'll show you the next step after this. A total of 30 minutes is up. We remove the chicken from the oven, baste this one more time, turn the heat up to higher, and then we'll brown the skin. The chicken is basically cooked already, but we want a beautiful brownness on the skin. So we're going to baste this one more time and roast this at a higher temperature, somewhere around 200 degrees Celsius for another 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's pop this back to the oven. Turn the heat up to 200 degrees Celsius and we'll roast this for another 8 to 10 minutes depending on the level of brownness that we want. I'll see you back in a while. I've been roasting this for 8 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's have a look. Very nice. Look at how beautiful this is. And now it's time for our Christmas lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Oh, smells absolutely delicious. Let's try this now. Apple first. Oh. Roasted apples. They are really good. Chicken. Oh. The miso taste, the slight hint of honey. This is really very flavorful. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. Wow. It's yum. Really, really good. Oh, very much.